So kung hindi ma-delegate the power to sell and it's only reserved for the council, bakit ikaw ang nag-decide?
Your Honor, merong resolution ang council on the disposal of the stock. Ito yung sinabit namin ho na annex. We provided the copy of this resolution.
Sinabi
January
sa'yo
25,
ng council
2022.
na ikaw magdidesisyon, ikaw lang? The resolution delegated it to you, not the council itself? Walang nakalagay dito na dinelegate sa'yo eh.
Meron, Mr. Chair, based on the resolution, this is delegated to the administrator to sell. Itong particular na resolution na to. So, 6-3 rule, after that 6-3 rule,
Sinasabi niya.
Basahin mo nga ano.
okay. Adoption of policy on warehousing storage stocks, 6 months maximum storage for palay and 3 months critical storage for rice. No, date passed 25 January 2022. Resolution number 1025-2022-A. No, whereas Republic
I have
Act.
to cut you because the title is Adoption of the Policy on Warehousing Storage of Stock, 6 months maximum storage for palay. Walang sinasabing disposal dito eh. So wag kang mag-iimbento sapagkat malinaw rito eh. Disposal is another, warehousing is another. So kinakapit mo dito sa resolution na ito, yung disposal, it is not here. Rolling stocks to eh, warehousing ito, and storage.
So, Your Honor, if I may read, no. So, ang sinasabi dito, NFA shall, based on Rule 8.3.2 of the IRR of 11203, NFA shall maintain the optimal level of buffer stocks at all time, except to make releases in response to emergency in support of disaster relief programs of the government, or to dispose stocks as necessary before the quality of rice deteriorates become unacceptable. Whereas during 2021 NFA Council meeting, the management recommended for the Council's approval the NFA policy on warehousing storage.
O sa haba ng
Before
sinasabi mo, wala pa
the
rin akong
disposition.
marinig na delegation eh.
No, before
Sa'yo.
the disposition. So, ang sinasabi dito, after that, you have to dispose pa rin.
Kaya
Dispose.
hindi sinasabing
Dispose is
ikaw
selling.
ang dinelegate, ikaw ang magdi-dispose. Walang sinasabi. You will still have to maintain Section 5 of your 2014 NFA Code of Corporate Governance. Kasi hindi madedelegate nga ito. Otherwise, walang kwenta itong corporate governance ninyo na nakalagay mismo sa Section 5. Dapat nabasa mo ito eh. Sinasabi niya, which cannot be delegated. So hindi mo po pwedeng kukunin yung isang bagay na hindi mo pwedeng i-delegate sa'yo. Hindi ba? You are a lawyer?
No, Your Honor.
Madam, you are a lawyer.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Potestas delegata non delegare potest. Is that correct?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
What has been delegated to the council cannot be further delegated. Tama po, madam?
Yes, Mr.
O,
Chair.
paano ngayon? Pero sagutin mo muna yung unang tanong ko sa'yo. There are only 5 modes of disposal. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, wala doon yung ginawa mong pagbebenta doon sa dalawang traders. What happens now? So hindi na makasagot, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair. Talagang violation po eh. O ikaw na, Mr. Karaps.
Mga Marcoleta.
Yes, may we now recognize the Honorable Karaps Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Oh, huwag ka muna umalis. Isang buwan ka na wala. Tapos alis ka kagad. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, pakinggan mo. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, before I proceed with my interpellation and short manifestation doon sa dulo, Kowa, narinig mo na. Yung MC mo, hiningi ko kanina, si Marcoleta pa. Ang nag-state nun. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, after this, Mr. Chairman, after this, we're expecting COA to report to the central office with regards to this kasi may urgency ito eh. Baka kayo hindi nyo nakita. Yung committee na nakita namin, lalo na yung mga empleyado dun sa baba that were binagsakan sila ng preventive suspension for 6 months. So, COA better report to Chairman Cordova with regards to this and act with expediency itong issue na to. Can I get the commitment of COA?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next hearing, magkasingilan tayo dyan. Don't push us to invite yung chairman mismo dito. Yung CSC, of course, next hearing. Now, Chairman, let me proceed with, a while ago, Administrator Yoko discussed to us about the buffer stocking in which 9 days consumption dapat. Tama? With 6.6 million. Yung 6.6 million na yan yung buffer stock dapat only for 9 days. Tama?
9 days equivalent of consumption.
Kaya nga,
Ah.
6.6, no? Within 9 days, pag may calamity, etc. Tama?
That is just to define how many bags
Hindi
of
nga,
LV buffer.
ako, tama o hindi?
Tama.
Oh, 6.6 million bags. Tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Now, at the same time, ang sinabi mo kanina, dapat may 10 months dapat. Making sure kayo. Making sure na may stock talaga within 10 months time. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. We have the
That-
whole year.
Ang sabi mo kanina, 10 months. That's on record.
6-3 rule na meron tayong 6-3 rule.
Kaya nga, 6-3 rule na
And then
dapat
after that,
10 months.
Yeah.
Yung 6.6 mo, at any given time, dapat for 9 days. Tama?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
At any given time, di ba? Dapat?
Mm.
Tama?
Yun yung buffers.
Hindi nga, tama.
Yeah, tama.
Overstocking nga,
Ah.
6.6 million. Now, Chairman, let me go to the DSWD. Hindi ko na to i-check kung totoo o hindi kasi, of course, the former congresswoman, who is now Yosek of DSWD, is present. Noong July 2023, you have a MOA with DSWD. Tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.